It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel as a graphics and multimedia, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fund your Alipay account. Right here on this website you can exchange yuan with USD, Euro, Naira, Severs, Ghana cedis, and all types of electronic currency. So in this video you are going to see how to order for RMB and get it credited to your Alipay account using this great website. But before we dive deep into tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content about importation business, you'll be notified. And lastly but not the least, if you want to contact me for business in consultation, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, so let's dive into tutorial and see how to fund your Alipay account. All right, on this particular website that we are going to use to fund our Alipay, what you need to do is that whether you have USD, you can also fund your Alipay with this particular website. If you have Euro, you can also fund your Alipay with this website. If you have Naira, you can also fund your Alipay with this website. If you have Severs, you can also fund your Alipay with this website. If you have Ghana cedis, you can also fund your Alipay account with this particular website. So, and any other types of electronic currency is acceptable on this particular platform when you are trying to fund your Alipay account. So for me to fund my Alipay account, so you have to scroll down right here. So you will see exchange rates. Rates are not always static. It is subject to fluctuate in price. So for you to place order, the first thing you need to do is to click on here to choose the currency. So for me, I'm using Naira as my exchange currency. You can see these are the different currency you can use to trade on this particular site. These are the kind of currency you can use to fund your Alipay. So I'm using Naira, so I'm going to select Naira. Then having select Naira, having select Naira, I need to click on here to enter the amount I'm sending. Okay, they have minimum amount you can top up is 20,000 Naira. Okay, so I'm sending 20,000 Naira. So let's see how much I'm getting. So I will be getting 182 yuan. So you are sending Naira to get yuan. So if you are sending dollar, this is also the same step you need to follow. So next thing you need to do is to click on swap currency. All right, so at this section here, this is just the preview, and finally I'm getting 180.18 yuan after tax. So what I'm going to do right here is that we need to fill in our Alipay detail, such as your Alipay ID number or your email address and the full name on your Alipay. This is very much important so that they will not send money into a wrong account. So right here, I'm going to enter my Alipay ID number. Your Alipay ID number is also known as your Alipay account number. So I'm going to enter my Alipay account number straight up. So having entered your Alipay account number, you have to enter your full name on Alipay. So this is also important, so no mistake. All right, so I've entered my Alipay account number and I've entered my Alipay full name. So if you are using email address, you can also enter your email address right here. So either of the two, email address or account number. So after you have confirmed the information you enter so far, next thing you need to do is to click on proceed to exchange right here. All right, so now they are going to provide kindly make your payments to the below account, and note, read the end before proceeding. So you have to read the following information. So we have to transfer the sum of 20,000 Naira. And don't forget, this is the additional 100 Naira that was has to it. So we are going to send 20,100 Naira into this account. And this is the account name. And this is the bank name. So I'm going to head over to my bank app, mobile bank app, and make the payments to this account. So first thing first, I'm going to copy this account number right here. I will click and hold down, and I'll make sure I copy the account. Then I will go to my GT Naira account. So here's my GT Naira account. I'm going to log into the app straight up. So I'm going to click on sign into my mobile app. Then I will enter my login detail. Then I'll click on sign in. So I'm going to click on my transfer right here. Then I'll click on new beneficiary. Then I will select account to be debited. Then amount. Don't forget we are to add 100 naira. That's going to be 20,100. 20,000. So 20,100. So I'm going to click on here. I will click on hold down, paste the account number. So we have to look for the bank. So let me just search for it. VFD Bank. VFD. Okay. So here is the bank. So you can see the company name has been pumped up. So right here, you need to write your full name, full Alipay name. So that is going to give them that you are the payee. Okay. So once you're done, the next thing you need to do is to click on continue. Then I'm going to enter my payment password. So the payment has been done successful. Then I will screenshot my payment. And I'll go back to the transaction page on the web. Then I have to scroll down. So I have to scroll down and sender name. I have to come back here and enter my sender name. So after entering my sender name, I will enter my WhatsApp number with the country code. Then I will click on process exchange. So after seeing the details, if you confirm, then your request will go to the admin. After verify everything, admin will process your exchange and your received wallet will be credited. This is the transaction detail right here. So you have to scroll down and click here to confirm transaction. All right, so you can also chat them the support right here and send your proof of payment. So you can also click here to send your proof of payment to the admin, to the live chat right here. And for you to attach the proof of payment, just click on here. Then I'm going to click on download to upload my proof of payment to the live chat. Then I will select the screenshot right here, payment. Then I will send it to them. I just made a payment. Then you can access from the chat right here and go to your profile. So for you to access your profile to track the order, you have to click on here and click on dashboard. So you have one pending exchange right here. So right here you can see you have complete exchange, which is this. Then pending exchange. So it's waiting for admin approval. Once the admin approve and credits your Alipay, this is going to change from pending to complete. Then you can confirm the transaction in your Alipay account. After you have successfully confirmed your order on this particular website, next thing you want to do is to track your order and see if your Alipay order has been placement successful and you have received your Alipay credit. So for you to track your order on the side, you have to make sure you click on here. Then it's brought out this. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on dashboard. Then it takes you right here, so you can refresh your dashboard, and then you see there is no pending exchange right here. Now, for you to know if your order has been successfully delivered, you have to also click on here. There is a notification right here that you need to click. So when you click on that, it's going to bring out this. So you can see your order has been completed. Your RMB exchange has been completed. So for you to be sure if eventually you receive this order was credit to my account about 10:54 a.m. So let's head over to my Alipay for a proper confirmation that these sites are legit. Alright, so in my Alipay right here, I have a notification about 18 minutes ago. You can see right here, 18 minutes ago, and the amount credited to my account is 180.18 yuan, which simply means that they have successfully funded my account. So for further clarification, I'm going to click on my inbox right here. Then I'm going to, so you can see another notification right here. You can see the notification right here, and this is the sender right here. So if I click on here now, you are going to see the transaction was exactly the time on the site, 10:54 a.m. That was when the transaction was completed. So it's as simple as that. So, and if I go back to my Alipay balance right here, if I click on here to check on my Alipay balance, so let's check it out. So it's going to be added into my current balance. Okay, so if I click, this is my current balance. If I click on here, you are going to see the new credit received into the Alipay. So you can see it right here that the money was received 180.18 yuan at this also date, year, month, time are the same as far as on the website is concerned. So this is how you can fund your, or how you can top up your Alipay wallet, step-by-step tutorial using Naira or using servers, using Ghana cedis, PayPal, web money, perfect money, etc. So these sites are so legit, and this is how you can get your Alipay balance funded successful. I hope you really got value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like. And also, if you want to contact me for importation business or Alipay related, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.